If you know 2025 is the year your money actually starts to work for you, watch on. As an investment banker and a chartered stockbroker that have guided thousands of people into starting and building wealth through investment, it's your turn now. I'll be sharing 5 different investments you can start with 100,000 naira and exactly how you can go about them. So whether you are a beginner hoping to start investing better or someone that just need more guide on how to do this investment, this video is for you. Welcome to the channel where we talk about everything money. If you're about smashing your financial goal, join the community by hitting that subscribe button. I would want to be your money cheerleader too. Number 1 investment you can do with 100k, FGN savings bond, federal government savings bond. I'm starting with this one because it's something that is currently ongoing, because first of all, it happens every first week of the month. So FGN savings bond is an investment offer by the federal government of Nigeria. The goal is to help us save no matter how much we make, because with as little as 5,000 naira you can invest in FGN savings bond. The maximum investment is 50 million. I've already mentioned it happens once in a month. So currently right now the one for this month is ongoing. I'm going to tell you how to go about it. Other things you should note is that it's usually for 2 tenors, either 2 years or 3 years, you decide. So the one for this month, if you're investing for 2 years, your interest is 17.4%. If you're investing for 3 years, that is 18.4%. So that means if you invest your 100,000 for 3 years, you'll be getting about 18,400 naira every year. Now this 18,400 naira, it will be split into 4 and the interest will be paid every quarter. So each quarter you're getting about 4,600 quarterly, right? And then at the end of the 3 years, you're going to get back your investment. That's the beauty of investment, because all this while you have been earning for the federal government. What are the beautiful thing about FGN savings bond? One, it is low risk because it is an investment by the federal government. Government cannot run away with our money now, so that is what we assume, right? So it is low risk investment. You can invest it and go and sleep. And then this quarterly interest is actually good for people that are looking for that passive income, right? I know people that, okay, I have someone that work for me, she does this, she's still in school. So what she does is when she invests in this, quarterly they are paying her. She's using it to sort in to take care of herself in school because she's training herself. Some people can also use it for like maybe a source of monthly income. Yes, because if you invest for at least 3 months, you qualify for monthly income. Because I don't want to keep this video long, I have a well-detailed video that will guide you step by step how to calculate your interest and how you can arrange it to be any monthly. And then I shared my screen and show you how to subscribe to this offer. Just know that to participate in the offer, number 1, you need a stockbroker. So if you're a member of this channel, you already know I usually use AfriInvestor 2.0. It's an investment platform by AfriInvest, one of the top investment banks in Nigeria. So once you sign up on AfriInvestor 2.0, automatically you have a broker. They will now create your CSCS and every other thing that is needed. So that is the first step to invest. Then secondly, you need to fill a subscription form, right? But this is what you are going to do, because we don't have enough time. In case if you want to invest in this month, I'm going to leave the email address for AfriInvest people on the screen, right? So send them an email, tell them you want to invest in FGN savings bond for this month. They're going to send you the subscription form, the subscription link. So go through the subscription link, fill it, make your payment, and submit it back to them. So that's it, simple and sweet. That is number 1 investment you can make with 100,000 naira. But then I'm going to link the video, as like I mentioned, the detailed video that will walk you step by step on how to do this. The second investment you can make with 100,000 naira is treasury bills. This one also is by the government, so the risk level is low. But unlike FGN savings bond, treasury bill is for short-term investing, because you have to invest for 1 year or less. You can do 3 months, 6 months. In fact, I have a client, I was speaking with him last night. He had an investment he did. He needs the money in January. When we did it, the one we could find was the one that matured this month, that is in December. I think before the end of the week, that's by Friday, is going to mature. So now he's asking me, okay, Jenny, if I need the money in January and this is maturing now, our first week of December, is there something I can do? I don't want to have this cash idle. At least you have like about 30 days before I need the money. So we looked at some treasury bill. We have one that is like 20-something days, just 22 days exactly, right? So we agree that it's going to roll it over because the money is substantial. At least even if it's 100k interest you get from it. So with treasury bill, the tenor can be short, 3 months, 1 month, right? I always say you don't need to have money idle in your bank. When there, whether it's money you need, maybe in 2 months and in 3 months time, there is always something to invest in. So yeah, a treasury bill is by the government. Short term, the minimum most times is 100,000 naira. So with 100,000, you can key into this investment. Right now, the interest rate is actually attractive. So in the secondary market where we play, so there are two markets: primary market for those buying direct, but that one you need a minimum of 50 million. So if like us, you are just starting, well, you don't have up to 50 million, you have 100,000, you have 5 million, then you're going to buy from the secondary market. How do you do that? Through a stockbroker, right? But in this case, like I mentioned, that app I mentioned before, AfriInvestor 2.0, if you have it, they list treasury bills on the app. So take your time and go through the app. But take note, you have to check between 10 a.m. in the morning to 2 p.m. because that is when the Nigerian market is open. So with treasury bill, you can earn as high as maybe 17%, even the 18%. Although if you go direct, you can earn like 20-something%. But because you are going through a second channel, right, the interest can be like 17, 18, which is fair enough, instead of leaving your money idle. So even treasury bill, I have a detailed video on this our channel on how you can do it step by step, where I shared my screen and showed you how you can invest in it via the app. So I'm also going to link it on the description. So whichever you are interested in, just go and watch the detailed video to follow step by step. Number 3 investment you can make with as little as 100,000 naira is money market mutual fund. There are different types of mutual fund, but we are going to stick with money market because I'm assuming that maybe you're a beginner, and money market mutual fund is a low risk investment. So money market mutual fund, or mutual fund generally, is like a pool of investment from different people. You know how we are in this our finance community now. Maybe me, I have 100,000, you have 1 million, and another person have 20 million. We can decide to put this money together, hand it over to asset managers, and they're going to go and invest on our behalf. Now at the end of the day, if there is income or profit from this investment, is shared among all of us. That is mutual fund. So for money market, it's a mutual fund that invests in, all these short-term bills, maybe treasury bill, commercial paper, mostly in fixed income investing, fixed income instruments, right? Hence the risk level is reduced. Right now, money market mutual fund is actually doing amazing, right? And how can you invest in it? There are 2 ways I personally invest in it. Number 1, I use Optimus. If you're an OG of this channel, you already know I talk about Optimus a lot. In fact, I'm going to link this on the description in case if you are new to the platform, you want to sign up, follow the link on the description. In fact, the next 3 investments, or these last 3 investments we're talking about, is you can do all of them in Optimus. Yeah, so on Optimus by AfriInvest, the name of their mutual money market mutual fund there is APF, AfriInvest Plutus Fund, because Optimus is also owned by AfriInvest. Optimus by AfriInvest, that's the full name. So if you want to invest in money market through AfriInvest or through Optimus, search for APF. So right now, I think the interest level is as high as 19%. Alternatively, another way you can invest is through Stanbic. Stanbic Bank also has their money market fund. That one as well, I invest in it. I'm going to share the link also on the description if you want to invest in Stanbic money market. I think the only is you can get as high as 20% at the moment. I'll have to confirm. So anyone you're interested in, be it Optimus, be it sign up with Stanbic, I'm going to share it on the description. So for money market, for most houses, you must leave the money at least for 30 days. That is 1 month. So whenever you lock your money, after 30 days, feel free to withdraw. So the beautiful thing about this is that the interest is accrued daily. So every day your interest will be adding, right? You're seeing your money maybe putting 100k, the next day it's now like 101, the next day it's like 115. Just like that, small it will be building. Whenever you are tired or whenever you have the project you need the money for, you can pull out. That is money market mutual fund, the third option on how you can invest 100,000. The fourth way you can invest your 100,000 naira is my all-time favorite. Guess what? Investing in stocks of great companies. All these companies like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, all of them. You can be a shareholder in their companies. When you buy their shares, when you buy their stock, it's as simple as that. And the amazing thing is that some people will feel like you need a lot of money. For where? With your 100,000, you can be a shareholder in Facebook, a shareholder in MTN, right? So when you invest in shares, it's like buying a tiny stake of this company. You become a part owner of these companies. business. Now you are not doing it for free. There are two major ways you can make money from this. Number one is dividend payments. Most companies or many companies pay dividends. Some can pay annually, some can pay quarterly. So you have invested in them. Your money is in that business. They are doing business with your money. At the end of the day, if they make profit, they can decide to share out a part of that profit to some of us that invested in them, or everybody actually that invested in the company. So that is dividend. They will not share the money. It depends on how much you get. Maybe they will say if you have 1 unit of the shares, like let's say MTN for example, I think the last time they paid dividend like about 5 naira for Nigerian stock. So they can say if you have 1 unit of MTN, you will get 5 naira. If you have 1,000 units, you will now get 1,000 times 5 naira. So no matter how much you have there is something for you. Foreign stocks, the same thing. So let's say a stock like let's say Apple. I think Apple is currently like $200 and something. You don't need to have $200 and something. Without your 100K, you can invest in Apple, and you don't even need dollar. In case you're in Nigeria, you don't even need dollar. On platforms like Optimus, you can swap your naira to dollar and buy the shares. Of course, I've also done a detailed video on how you can invest in both foreign stocks, both Nigerian stocks. On this channel, you have everything you need to secure the bag. You have everything you need to smash your money goals. That is why I'm wondering, if you have not yet subscribed to the community, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now. Are we quarreling? Okay, thank you so much. It actually means a lot to me. And if you've not liked the video, please just the thumbnail to tell you that this video is actually useful. It helps the community to keep growing. Thank you. Talking of community growing, 52,000 money-minded individuals in this community. In fact, I'm going to talk about that in another video because it's still busting my brain. I became very active on this platform I think about 4 months ago, and look at us today. Thank you everyone that is going on this financial journey with me. Our comment section is always a vibe. I love the community we are building here. Thank you. Okay, so if you want to invest in shares, I'm going to also leave the previous video I have done about it, that will guide you step by step how to fund your wallet, how to buy these shares, how to sell it, right? Everything you need to know to get started. Please watch that video and start your investment journey. The 5th investment you can put your 100,000 in and make a lot of money. I left this one because it's something that if the other options I mentioned, you're not sure if you want to start now, maybe it's a bit confusing, it's stressful. This one, you can pick up your phone right now and execute it. That is leveraging high interest savings platform. You have the likes of Piggyvest, Optimus, Cowrywise. There are so many of them. So this is simple and sweet. Instead of just leaving your money in the bank doing nothing, see, idle money is an offense. You can't be in this community and you still have money idle in the bank doing nothing. Why? Because the banks, they take this money, they bring it to investment bankers like us and make more money with it. What is left for you that is the owner of the money? Nothing. But now you know better. So instead of leaving your money idle in the bank, what you can do is to move it to this savings platform where it will earn you interest. In fact, on Optimus, you can earn as high as 20%, right? So that means if you move your 100K, my dear, you're getting like 20,000 naira on it. 20K. No bank will give you that. So yeah, I'm locking your money on these platforms. Many of them have different offers. They have the flex, the one you can do and withdraw immediately when you want. They have the lock, the one you can specify, okay, I want to lock it for 6 months, I want to lock it for 1 year, and you just leave it there. At the end of the day, you get back your money and your interest. So if you don't want to explore anyone, I think you should consider this one because it is very easy to use. Just go with any reliable platforms, right? So like I mentioned, personally, I use Optimus, I use Piggyvest. In fact, I even have a video on this channel of the top 7 where I review the top 7 savings and investment platforms in Nigeria. You can check it out. I'll also link it for you. So that is how you invest your money, no matter how small it is. Now go to the description. Anyone you want to invest in, like I already mentioned, I have detailed video that will guide you step by step. But then before you do that, Shebi, you know that, like I said before, in January we are starting a money challenge. See, 2025, whether you like it or not, it's going to be your best money year ever, and that is what we want to achieve with that money challenge. It's going to be totally free, right? It's just going to be a series of tasks, interesting poems where we ginger one another, right? So we are going to be doing it on YouTube here. More details in subsequent videos, but I also want to be following up with you on email. So if you're interested in the money challenge, totally free, go to the description. I'm going to drop a link there. Just drop your email address on the link, click the link, drop your email address. I'm also going to pin in on the comments. So if you go to the comment section, you're going to see the free link, the link for the free money challenge. Let me see you on the money challenge. But of course, you remember, if you want to proceed with any of the investments, go to the description.